Welcome back to the Kelly and Kelly Show.
Today we're talking about the little things, the small repairs that can make a big impact before you list your home.
Because let's be honest, buyers notice everything.
All right, number one, light bulbs. Replace the ones that are burned out. And maybe even go for brighter bulbs. It makes rooms feel more open and inviting.
Number two, door handles and cabinet knobs. If they're wobbly, squeaky, or right out of 1985, tighten them. It's a great way to have a little bit of a facelift.
So number three, touch up the paint, especially in high traffic areas. Handprints on your walls aren't really a selling point.
Number four, fix those drippy faucets. Buyers hear drip and they immediately start calculating plumber costs.
Number five, clean or replace your HVAC filters. It's not glamorous, but it says, hey, I maintain my house.
Number six, tighten those loose railings and stair balusters. If it wiggles, fix it. It's not only a safety issue, but it's also an impression.
7, patch holes in the walls. Even the ones you think no one will see, buyers will see.
Number 8, recalk the tub and the sink. Grimy caulk screams neglect, while fresh caulk whispers well cared for.
Number 9, squeaky doors. WD-40 is your best friend. Let's keep the haunted house vibes for October.
And number 10, clean the windows inside and out. Buyers love natural light, and clean windows are like glasses for a home.
All these things are super doable, budget friendly, and they show pride of ownership.
And that can translate to more offers and better outcomes. You don't need to really renovate, you just need to refresh.
Like, comment, and let us know which little fix made the biggest difference in your home sale.